Sanibonani guys, welcome to my channel. Igama lami nginguJozi, abangangazi, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto ezenzeka life. If you do have a story to share, unga-inbox ku TikTok and then ku number mo kan share lang stories hawo na kitlele tsaibe wena o tlele taba. Abangaziyo, welcome back guys. Yo ngibhalela usisi uThabiso lana. Usisi Thabiso ngibhalela awushozi ngibhalela so because of abazali bethu bawenza amaphutha whenever ba ku new life. Bakhohle ukuthi banabantwana and it's said ukuthi thina abantwana like we suffer the consequences zama actions wabo. Okay, usisi awushozi mina umama wami like sizalelwe emshadweni si3 ekithi him first born and then kunama siblings wami I2 uthi awushozi umama wami nobaba wami like they were so madly in love with each other and then iqeda lana ke kwenze ukuthi ubaba mbeka military yabona. So uthi baba mkwenze ukuthi udliswa ipoison emsebenzini suspectiwa kanjalo. Baba magula isikhathi eside wakula isikhathi eside bathi isibindi sakhe sishile wahamba a treatment. They were trying to save him but like azange kwenzeke. Unfortunately we lost our father. Awushozi baba ka like beharreketse ndlu makazoshona bekanendlu makazeshona and bekanama cover to cover us for ina makashonela. Awushozi imali ke baba wami iyaphuma. Imali makababa mayiphuma after sekungqwatshiwe everything. Uthi umama mobe lucky because ama in-laws wakhe azange baze bamhluphe. They were supporting her ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani uyitsa ngachelete in like bebangasi involved. Umama mbe ukuyazenza bekazenzela ama decisions wakhe. Awushozi isikhathi masihamba imali siyaphuma. Imali masiphuma my mother wa renovate indlu yasekithi indlu yasekithi abapaid up wayirenovate. Awushozi wathenga itekisi wathatha yonke le mali umuntu ukuthi isekithi umama wathenga itaxi but you know le izothenga enye itaxi and then sizokhona like go survive because ubaba enake sekho income ahlale thing ikilo abantu. Hayi uthi isikhathi masiya awushozi itaxi because of mama kanathoma la khokena mo taxi business ku taxi industry like bebafuna izinto eziningi njelete like help imali abo 60,000 abo 30,000 njalo certificates ayini awushozi because of bayangana knowledge and background taxi business. So izinto zakhe like zabe zishabalala kanjalo imali yadliwa itaxi yasebenza but awuna profit. Mama decide ukuthi let me sell the taxi but already sekaluze imali eningi. Uthi isikhathi sihambe awushozi isikhathi siyahamba chelete mama kawayija uthwa di auto lilichomi mama muya chep uyaqwebezela kusangena ama gold phela mama muya chep uyaqwebezela awushozi kibone mo uthi awushozi ubaba makashona bekuna 11 but imali iphele manginabo 13 14 iphele lapho imali because mama like behayire I blew it kaChalta babaka but because of besibantwana besizuthini because laba abanye bebancane but bengikhona ubona ukuthi lo muntu lona le mali uyemosha and bekana bangani. My mother had friends ekithi bekuhlala kunabantu ekithi bekuhlala kunama party. If it's my birthday ngoba ne big celebration, if is sibling yami in a birthday big celebration or like berephela bophelo bobujwalo and then ke isikhathi sihamba imali already seyancipha ke abo sohlangana nobabu sothi baba sithi ububa bumasinga hlangana nobabu masinga ayiba masinga bekayindoda like inama business wakhe and naye bekashonela bekangana mfazi so bayaqala ke baya date. I was around 14 by then. Bayaqala ke baya data uyeza ubaba uhamba ngeBM by then uyeza umegedini mama megibela like azange angene like inside the house bekaza like amegedini and then like bayakhuluma or uyagibela bayahamba uzombuyisa later on bekuyinto aphila ayenza up until one time I think a year or 2 years later wabesuka decide ukuthi no I need to introduce lo muntu labantwaneni bami because around that time bengisilengise high school. Uthi as introduce ukuthi bamasinga uzoba baba omncane wenu. Ayibaba masinga awushozi I don't want to lie because baba right honda to right na right la ko Hesu ayitla grocery ona mukotla wa buphi yona mkotla amazambane baketa acha wena cabbage wena nama motwana wena steak bekathanda vele ukusithengela ukudla bengana problem naye and bewumuntu ukuthi vele uyasirespecta and usirespecta as abantwana baka mama kilobona bangasi umuntu ukuthi uzosmistreat and stuff like that, you know. bekasijwa ura usijozi isikhathi siyahamba umama mphela like sure so kumaratong abana uthi ubaba vele athi side ukuthi one time asibize makasibiza athi I've decided ukuthi bengicela nje ukuthi ngicela ukushada umameni like uthi by then bengina 17 I was 17 years old cela mina nama siblings wethu ukuthi no ngizoshada umameni so bengicela ni prepare over the weekend ngizonithatha nokuthi abantwana bami so ubaba Masinga ngayibikana nabantwana I was because of mntato utlile kuphela ngibari nashetona le structure man uyasithengela ukudla sesiba nemali ukukera every day imali kamama mphela seyiphilile mama makasana mali mama makasebenzi so like ubefike vele waba breadwinner empilweni zethu mawushota ka lutsa school wena recover imali ukukera bekasipha ubabu Masinga like beka decent father to us I was sithathe vele hamba introduce abantwana bakhe uthi mina ngilingana second born yakhe khona ubhuti omdala ifirst born abantwana bakaba Masinga by 4 uthi I was introduce sazane abatshele nabo ukuthi lona umama mncane no and bengicela ukuthi ngamlobola niyavumurani for mina sisonke sihlangene besi 7 abantwana hayi kungabi nomuntu like onenkinga ukuthi ungashadi in everyone wavumelana okay no it's fine or I was choosing uthi abushozi okay fine ubaba Masinga hlanganise nefamily yasikibo umamami vele alobola umamami after ilobola awushozi ubaba Masinga athi umamami we need to decide ukuthi sohlala kuphi because angeke sihlale la endlini yakho because kindlu ya monna wa hawo umamami awushozi umamncane am advising amtshela ukuthi you know what usisi uthi lesasikhathi ungakuthi uqala ukuthi abantu bayarentisa izindlu it was way kudala kulabona so uthi amtshela ukuthi mina I think the best way ukuthi ushele umntwana intombazana la asale la uzosala gada lendlu yasekibo then wena mawumuva uhamba uyohlala nobaba uNkalimeni ungahamba nalaba abancane mina ngizathumela umntwana wami bahlele labo YouTube bagade lo muzi lo ungawuthengisi or awushozi the way mama kanali komaratong like nasa utlolele moto na utlolela ndade Masinga mona hayi fela nina abanye beningasi important uthi no problem awushozi hayi ubaba Masinga bekane izindlu ezithu the one bekashare nomfazi wakhe lokushini and then wathenga indlu ke but wathenga like yabona lezi indlu lezi like khala bonya ubese drobeni but uyithenga umfazi wakhe asaphila bayithenge boy2 so bayibhalisa ngumntwana we-first born lo mfana dala so le ndlu leyo uba Masinga manje because of akafuni ukuthi umama ahlala endlini yalomfazi wakhe noba Masinga akafuni ukuthi umama ahlala endlini kababa wethu so they decided you know what let's sell both of these houses sihambe sibhidlizele yandlu le ekhona etown and then siyakhe a brand new house ezo accommodate all of us kube i-discussion ababa nayo between ubaba Masinga and my mother bavumelana awushozi baqale bathengisa indlu kababa Masinga indlu kababa Masinga ithengiwe bayithengiwa awushozi baba Masinga abana labahlala khona abantwana bahamba babire kagogo baba Masinga hamba ehlala eroomini because he doesn't want to step in egithi kababa wami uthi awushozi umama nobaba Masinga bahamba bahlala eroomini kubhidliswe lapha yana kulamaboda lawa abathengile lawo bekasela moshekile kuqala ifoundation ngale mali ayitholile kule ndlu leyana uri awushozi indlu yantate Masinga like nayo bekuyi decent house athande bakhe lapha yana uri awushozi mabakha halfway indlu yesithi nayo ithengisiwe sihambe kithi ngasohlala kamamncane andlu mayithengisiwe akuthulima indlu aseyithi phela be renovatiwe everything beyintsha kahle mama thola imali makathola imali ngihlanganisiwe kwakhiwe lapha yana etown kwakhiwe bakhe vele indlu decent double story house indlu enhle awushozi accommodate each and every one of us okay bophilo bobo right awushozi kwakhiwe uqedwe kuthathiwe ifinisher kamama because my ifinisher kamama bese leyisha ihambe ufakiwa kulo yamusi lena beyikhona yaka mama bayithathe bathengise isithengisiwayo edilahliwa ngidilahliwe bekuyi agreement between abantu abayi2 abathandanayo yabona usisi uthi awushozi mangenza matrix move into the new house and nama siblings lawa amatsha like sibe ngathi like rajela because of ubaba Masinga vele bekaphusha ukuthi sibe ne relationship ngoba bona sebagugile uthi ngalonyaka simove in endlini umama vele abe pregnant beka around 40 early 40s abe pregnant babe nengane ushibu number 8 ingane. Hayi or awushozi hobe celebration taba masingavela amthanda umntwana like amrat like everyone could see ukuthi kubo bonke abantwana bakhe like lasibona sekithi like ke favorite child ya hayi uthi hayi isikhathi sihambe awushozi sihlale lapha yana. So the elder brother kube umuntu ukuthi akasebenza akathola umsebenzi yabona akasebenzi uyancedisa like emabhizinisini kababa wakhe like huyo like izinto eziningi zi overseer uye kilwabona uthi hayi angasebenzi and then like umama kube umuntu olengi financial lady uyachecka kuma finances and stuff like that uba masinga yena ke stock taking guy kena what is stock and everything like rebe like a blended family but right I was choose or like holy right. I don't know what we pretend you are leso sikhathi or I was so naive and stupid ngakhona ubona ama signs if abantu baya pretender or something I don't know but besiphila kamnandi uthi hayi 5 years ihambe I was choose umntwana sekithi makathi 7 years bebahamba bathi bayomcollect esikolweni kanti unfortunately bazoba involved ku car accident my mother and ubaba Masinga and then unfortunately mama didn't make it. Mama wabe so yashona ke on the spot ubaba Masinga uyalimala ulemala like inyawo lakhe uba ne hip fanele ku hip surgery because of like affected ku hip akasakhona utsamaya ukulobona hayi okay sharp awushozi ku preparelo umnqwabo kamama ami kanqwatshiwa umama moshonile awushozi sethi really bana bakwale and this now say iyangihitha nathi nama siblings wami siyasitha manje ukuthi lo muntu size ngayila akasekho so sisele sodwa and we don't know ukuthi ubaba Masinga makaphuma esibhedlele kutloyitsa halangi kuzoba nama changes and stuff like that yabona sesihlala like rithukile kukhona ngore what will happen to us. Hayi umncwabo bekhona umama manqwatshiwe kahle ngisizotho ubaba Masinga. One thing I loved about lo baba ukuthi mama bekamthanda and bekafisela mama izinto ezinhle mama bekathanda izinto ezinhle barata dilo. Hayi after umncwabo kamama awushozi manje financial lead ayisekho phela umuntu beka handle izindaba zemali ukuthi everyone covered the golf fees ding itsarena kawufela di covered umama beka yenza sure ukuthi beka ngadlali befuthi kule position. Hayi the elder brother abantwana baka Masinga bekunomntwana one umfana bekuno first born bomfana abayi2 mantombazana abalandelana naye then last born umfana. So the elder brother awushozi mama macela ushona kuba umuntu sokhomba ama science ukuthi ngathi sekayiboss like everything controller uye fana sicele kuyimali esinkwa like everything like fana ukuthi go through yena like tate Masinga samona as father of the house yena sewu so to Jabu firstborn uJabu sazenza sazibona ngalipi umuntu nalapha. Hayi awushozi si continue vele sicele uba Masinga vele angasabi right kuba umuntu so yachuza akasakhona uhamba isikhathi eside utsamaya ka uhamba ngekaphatla and sahamba nge-wheelchair uhamba walk it distance akakhona uyapusha nge-wheelchair ube ukuthi health yakhe vele ayisabi right uyaqala yagula so everything manje seyiphatha ke-abuti Jabu uru abuti Jabu ubaba Masinga bekane imoto bekane Mercedes bekane BM and then bekana 2 lezi zi2 bekasebenzisa ku business yakhe uru awushozi uJabu aqala thengisa izimoto lezi atle imoto ziningi afana ubaba ka sa drive so wenza ngale moto thengisa le moto ezi2 avumelana noSisi lo landelwa uJabu bavumelana vele thina like we are not included in anything. Awushozi kana kosetsikele ko my early 20s ngisesikolweni ba Masinga bekangibhadalela kahle uJabu fana ukuthi angibhadele uJabu so yajika akasampatelela school asampatelela my fees or awushozi ngiye kwa Masinga ngikhulume naye ukuthi no esikoleni ngiyagolota I'm behind ngama payment kanti bengicela ukuthi ukhulume noJabu ukuthi angibhadalele uthi hayi maka abiza uJabu vele immediately ngikhona eroomini uthi makambiza awushozi kube ukuthi amtshela ukuthi angabhadelela umntwana school fees lo mntwana dlala ngene isikolo kanti ufuna uqeda yonke le mali esesekhona ne line yasekibo la sisangena ikolo ifuna imali we need to cut down kuma costs. Ura awushozi baba Masinga vele abheka uJabu aJabu uthi nemali yami athi daddy we need to cut down kuma cost ziningi lezi zinto lesifuthi izenze ngemali and uyabona ukuthi wena manje awusisi right fana sicabangele wena sibeke wena phambili. Ura awushozi vele angitshela ubaba Masinga ngicela ukuthi uphume ngithale noJabu uthi vele basale vele bashawuthana vele endlini kubangiwa vele imali uthi ngibone la ukuthi yabona la this is my final year. I need to make sure ukuthi ngiyapasa ngifuna umsebenzi cause mo batorikuba yabona uthi hayi isikhathi masiya awushozi unfortunately uba Masinga vele ahlakahlakane naye anqishone uthi hayi makuzongcwatshwa uba Masinga awushozi kimo kibone ngor family iya change color uyazi pink family change ibe maroon or change ibe dark brown or awushozi makuzo prepare umncwabo during the week ne uthi uJabu yenze sure ukuthi everything yakababakhe iba under yena everything uyenze sure baba khagula asahlakahlakani for everything he controller uye okay sharp because of gift for spawn we don't mind okay uthi ku funeral beku everything beku discusswa like bayanga discuss na everything ena bekapha everyone ama instructions wenza so senze so senza so senze so senza so senze so uthi hayi yaphithizwela vele during the week vele kuyabhekiyo uthi must baker awushozi siyabheka so must baker kuyashisa kulobo nathi makubeka isikhathi side imali ngabheka the whole day like kuyashisa uthi mina ngiphumela ngaphandle ngifuna ushaya umoya kulobo uthi mangiphuma like last bikela khona like go kitchen khona li window yabona uthi mina ngiyafika ngihlala la phansi ewindweni uthi mangaphakathi makhuluma umuntu makame window iyakhona ukunizwa yabona uthi awusingaphandle so the sister kaJabu landela uJabu uthi ha laba ngazi ukuthi indaba yabo yakuphi because of umama wabo uhambile so nalomuntu ubekaphila sabamela naye bayambona ukuthi hambile bayophela kuphi vele bayophela kuphi umama wathengisa indlu yabo so baxoxa uhlala la ngasekithi uri awushozila kwaba khona ama alarm ngayo ingqondweni yami ukuthi yo phela lana sesekithi obviously my mom ushonile so baba mama or ngibe na this mindset ukuthi at least the house it belongs to baba Masinga no mama so we do have a share yabona yangiqhubeka sinkube just like that uthi hayi kungcwatshiwe awushozi ngipretend I didn't hear anything ngibe normal ngibo ngingabatshela abantwana basekithi uthi yabona more senginge uthi second born yasekithi leso sikhathi ku matric ngafuna ukubatshela anything ngishela ukuthi you know what let me call umamncane and ngimtshela ukuthi ngizweni uthi ngifonela umamncane ngizwe ubusothi ubusi hayi wena mnyawo wena PK ungena ngithukile umntwana lo vula umnyawo and it's 5:10 I'm like lo mnyawo ngivulwe imara ngichacha yazi so awushozi ngifonele mangwanaka ke motho ore ngizwe bathi so and mamncane wenza kanjani because I feel ngathi bazosixosha after the funeral lana mamncane athi engawari because lendlu lena like bayithenge boboyithu lana phila khona bakhe boboyithu obviously lendlu le is registered under amagama woboyithu sharp awushozi uthi mncabo ube khona i10 days iphela after i10 days ubizwe imithini abo baba umncane like abo brothers baka Masinga babize uJabu abizwe nomamncane wami awushozi uJabu afike abeka amaphepha phansi abeke ne title deed yanqwira phela ngoyona asitshela ukuthi nini umama wenu ushonile akasekho la so indawo yenu lana ayisekho so from now on I'm taking over estate kababam is a controller yimi and so nina akilebale the only person angasala lana wasekithi mina ngikuthi la spawn kamama wasekithi uya ngasala la unali right ukuthi angasala nathi but nina the three of you and see but bantwana begazi bala so mina bengicela ukuthi umamncane makahamba nihambe naye or awushozi umamncane uzamile ukuthi uyasihlulela basishela kahle ukuthi umama nini indlweni wayithengisa ngisho wathengisa afjudane nobabini mina listende sathenga umama masithengela mina so this is my house ukuthi ubani wa combinator nobani wahlanganisa nobani akusaligena so this is my house labantu enasahla basihlanganisile abasekho so from now on I'm going to take over or awushozi ubube nobaba umncane one amtshela ukuthi Jabu wrong labantwana laba yapi ngoba yakuthi khaya laba basana leli khaya labo uthi uJabu athi ngithi sikhuluma ngephepha baba umncane sikhuluma ngephepha iphepha lithi this is my property so ngime ngithuza ukuthi uhlala ubandla ngisho kahle ukuthi laba abayi3 bahambe laba abayi2 loyi one uzosala because of igas lethu uthi awushozi my umamncane tried by all means ukuthi angayilwisa this thing uthi uyileke mkumulawo arwarwela but like awuna ukuthi uzokhona ukuyilwisa because of leya ndawo i-registered under uJabu ngeyakhe kahle ukuthi my mother contributed akusanali proof akunamaphepha to prove ukuthi umamami uncedile lapha yana cause then noma bangathi siyalwela ukuthi umama ushadile under community of property ne, but like awushozi arina black sicoshiwe just like that. The only person obambalayo ezintweni zaka baba uMasinga umntwana sekithi omncane umntwana sekithi usele thina basiphike out isihambile sesihlala kamamncane or awushozi into ingirile hore ke le ngwana. Like my life was so exciting must move no babu uMasinga cause bekasichecka beyarela sure nale everything, but like the decisions shamamaka yizo zisilethela namuhla because of mamamu uthengisa indlu paid up, indlu renovatiwe because of naloko marathon lentatu, and they planned everything together. But I don't think ukuthi uba uMasinga bekazi ukuthi stand straight start andumntwana or uyenze ngabo umuntu protect abantwana bakhe, I don't know. But ona no nto botlhoko na arisana more nango thing, arisana financial support, aka support uputi usupport umntwana sekibo kuphela awushozi how karwa ilwisa babotsa gore angwana ka kwale, but umama mbeka shatu kubabake, meaning ukuthi like we do have a right to over 50% kalo baba because of 50% ya mamaka, but isicoshwe njengezinja. And I feel ukuthi family kaMasinga nabo they are not supporting us when coming to this issue because of rena bara areba nabakwale. So istory sami ngisikhuluma ngoba ngithi awusizozibulela uadvise bomme baba leng baba khulu abaye bangayenza amaphutha afana nakamama. I pray and wish ukuthi kungabi nomfazi ozoluza indlu yakhe, indlu yabantwana bakhe ayiluza ngoba usemathandweni. But it's a sad story, like from being a homeowner, okay, as saying that be homeowner, from ukuthi ninekhayileni okay ningabantwana eli paid up to ukuthi nohlala endlini enje a beautiful double story house, okay siyavuma, in a swimming pool, but ngicine ningasanalo ikhaya, sinihamba sinohlala noma mncane anisana like alisana la high because of linalibana bamuba madi. Yo, as angazi like abanga advisor usisi ukuthi angayenza kanjani, please advise her because ibhlungu into yabo guys, in has ibhlungu. Yo, bye guys.